अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद है ठीक होंगे। आई होप यू आर ऑल फाइन. Let's start. I want to continue with a lecture that I left with in the last video. So in the last video we started with the face, scalp, temporomandibular joint, and I broke the video to continue with these regions. The parotid region is the temporal fossa, infratemporal fossa, and pterygopalatine fossa. So these are the things that I left for the next video. So here I am. I'm Dr. Mohammed Ali Rabbani, Assistant Professor of Anatomy, and I'm here to discuss with you these topics: parotid region, temporal fossa, infratemporal fossa, and pterygopalatine fossa. So this was originally designed as one session. So we started with face, scalp, and temporomandibular joint, and now we're going to start from this point onwards: parotid region, temporal fossa, infratemporal fossa, and pterygopalatine fossa. So before diving into the parotid region, this is the topic I want to give a little background on. This topic is temporal fascia.